Njengoba izwe beligubha iminyaka engama-29 leli lathola inkululeko, iqembu le-I-EFF lona belingcwaba omunye walo. Obengusihlalo womkhandlu ngaphambilini e-Kurhuleni uMajatawu wabulawa ngesonto eledlule. Malema uthi ukungcwatshwa kwakhe ngosuku lokugubha inkululeko kutshengisa kona ukuthi amathemba alelizwe aya ngokushabalala.
That is the most painful thing about the death of Koketso, is that he was killed by those he wanted to free from the chains of poverty. For because we are driven by the conviction that many are committing crime because they are suffering. The levels of poverty are too high in our country. And if we defeat poverty and defeat unemployment and reclaim the land from those who stole it, then our people will live in peace. And the big wars we experience in the suburban areas of South Africa will collapse because there will no longer be crime.
Umalema uthi uhulumeni wakuleli uyehluleka ukunqanda ubugebengu.
In the absence of the authority, people will take law into their hands. There is no longer authority in South Africa.
Umajatawu ubambe iqhaza elikhulu ekuthuthukiseni kwe-I-EFF ngesikhathi safufusa ikakhulukazi emkhandlwini waseKurhuleni. Uchazwe njengeshoshovu ebesizinikele emsebenzini waso.